In this example, we are given that h of x equals 3x squared plus 5x plus 27 and asked to find h of p plus 4. To find h of p plus 4, it means that we're going to take the original function and in place of x, substitute p plus 4. I will use my trick for starting my problem, and that is where the x's were originally, put sets of parentheses. So in other words, my original function looked like 3 times something squared plus 5 times something plus 27. And then in place of those blanks, I'll put the p plus 4. This makes it easier to understand, easier to see. From this point, we remember that this is just the name of the function, and then on the right-hand side, it's our job to simplify the right side out. Now, this first part, anytime you have what we call a binomial squared, it means write that binomial twice. The 3 that we have in front, you're just going to leave, and then we're going to write p plus 4 times p plus 4. One of the most common mistakes that students make is they just square the p and square the 4 and add them together. We'll see later why that wouldn't have worked. On this second piece, the 5 needs to be distributed to the p plus 4. So 5 times p would be 5p, 5 times 4 would be 20, and then we still have the 27 left at the end. From here, we will first want to FOIL the two binomials. To FOIL, we multiply the first two terms. By the way, you're going to keep the 3 out in front and then just open a big set of parentheses. So p times p is p squared. Outer is the p and the 4, so that'll be 4p. Inner will be the 4 here and the p there. And then last would be the 4 and the 4 here. And remember, we're multiplying, so 16. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to combine my 20 and my 27. So I have 47. And then finally, a couple of things you can do. These two terms can be combined. I'll do that first. And then I can distribute the 3. So 3p squared plus 24p plus 48 plus 5p plus 47. And then finally combine your like terms. 3p squared doesn't have anything to go with him. You have this 24p and 5p, so that would be 29p, and then lastly your 48 and your 47, you would end up with 95. So h of p plus 4 equals 3p squared plus 29p plus 95.